Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution to the 9th question in the exercise 4.2. If A is a square matrix such that determinant of A is equal to 5, write the value of determinant of A into A transpose. So first let's note out what is given to us. Determinant of A is equal to 5. We are asked to evaluate determinant of A into A transpose. First, we need to remember the property. Determinant of A into A transpose is the same as determinant of A into determinant of A transpose. So, we know that the determinants of A's value is 5. We should also know that any transpose of a given matrix, the determinant of that value will also be the same. So, in this case, it is A transpose. So, we will take the value of the determinant as determinant of A itself. So, here the determinant of A into A transpose is 5 into 5, which is 25. So, this is the required value for us. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 10th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.